This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today, I want to tell you 3 easy ways you can save time in your garden when watering. It's the middle of summer and your garden is needing lots of water, maybe every day. With our time and attention being so short these days, it's great to think and use time-saving watering options to squeeze out a few more minutes or even hours every week so we can get more done and take some time to rest. We have 3 great water time saving options for you to use. They are 1. Ollas. These are fired clay containers that you bury in your garden soil and then fill with water to help slowly release water into the soil where surrounding plants can then take it up. This helps conserve water use in your garden, makes water more readily available to plants, and helps cut down on watering time. The second option to help you save time watering in your garden are buried soaker hoses, which these are your basic soaker hoses that are placed on top of the garden soil and then completely covered by your mulch. Soaker hoses used in this way help to get water to plant roots faster, not having to move through a layer of mulch first, and cuts down on water evaporation, which cuts down on how much water you need to water over time. This is also helpful when you bury the soaker hoses because then you don't see the garden hoses, and this gives your garden a nice finished and clean look. Now, our third time-saving option for watering your garden are using rain barrels. These are great for collecting rainwater from your home's roof or a shed or a flat surface around your garden somewhere. You can strategically place these around your garden so you don't have to haul a garden hose all over your garden, cutting down the time it takes to bring the hose in or set up that watering system right there in that location. They are gravity fed, so make sure that your rain barrels are slightly higher in elevation than the end of your hose or hoses where the water is being applied in the garden. There are other great non-traditional garden watering options out there, so make sure to check them out and see which ones will help you in your garden. Now, fall is right around the corner, so make sure you have all the seed sowing supplies and tools ready to start the seed sowing season. This includes making sure you have your very own little Dibby or Dibby XL garden tool. Our exclusive one-of-a-kind seed sowing tool with graduated depth markings helps you sow your seeds at the correct depth every time. Find your perfect color of Dibby tool on our Etsy store, our Shopify store, or on Amazon. We run sales and promotions all the time too, so make sure to check back for deals and savings to get your Dibby garden tool. Links for each of these will also be in this episode's description. Happy seed sowing! Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.